Hello students, today we are going to do some skill book work of our first chapter and our second chapter. So, as you guys know that in the previous presentation we have done some of the book work of unit 1. So now we have to do the leftover work of unit 1 and then we'll do the work of unit 2. So, link point 1.3, I will learn to understand the plan of a house. Exercise A. Color the plan of the bride's new house. Color the lounge yellow, color the kitchen red, color the bathrooms blue, color the bedrooms green, color the doors brown, color the windows purple. Now here we have a map of a new house. And they have mentioned the colors that we have to do in different places of the house. So now what we have to do, we just have to color these places of the house with the colors that are mentioned in your book. For example, we have to color the lounge yellow. First, what you have to do, you have to find the lounge in the map of the house and then color it yellow. Link 1.3, I will learn to understand the plan of a house. Exercise B. In the first exercise, we have colored the map of a house. Now in the second exercise, we have to complete the sentences that are given to us. The first sentence is, we cook in the dash, we watch TV in the dash, we sleep in the dash, we wash in the dash. So you have to see the map and then you have to fill up these blanks. You guys may know that where do we cook? We cook in the kitchen. And we watch TV in the lounge. We sleep in the bedroom. And we wash in the bathroom. So you just have to write the name of these different places of a house in the blanks given below. Link 1.4, values. I will learn to value my own family. Exercise A. Circle the people you have in your family. Write their names if you know them. Now here we have given some names of the the members of the family. For example, father, mother, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles, grandfathers, grandmothers, and cousins. Now, first of all, you have to circle the members that you have in your family. For example, you have your father and your mother, you have your sister, so you have to circle these. And if you don't have any of the member of the family written over here, so you don't have to circle them. Now, the second thing that you have to do in this exercise is you have to write their names in the blanks given in front of them. For example, you have to write the name of your father. My father name is Raza. But you don't have to write it. You have to write the name of your father. You have to write the name of each of the family member. If you don't have any of the family member, then you don't have to write their name. You just have to put a small dash in front of their name. Link 1.4, values. I will learn to value my own family. Exercise B. Draw some people in your family here. Label them. Okay, in exercise B, we have given a big box in which we have to draw the members of our family and then we have to write their names below their pictures. Unit 2, Food and Farming, Link 2.2, I will learn which crop gives us food. Exercise A, tick the food crop. Here we have given some crops that are sugar, cotton, wheat, wood, tomatoes and mangoes. Now we have to tick only those crops that give us food, that are the food crops. For example, wheat. This is done for you. Now you have to find the other food crops and tick them. For example, another food crop is mango because we eat mangoes. So you just have to tick the crops that we eat, or from them we get food. Link 2.2, I will learn which crop gave us food. Exercise B, complete the sentences. Now here we have given some sentences and right in front of them we have some pictures. The first sentence is sauce is made from tomatoes, and we have a picture of a sauce. The second one is rotis are made from. How do we make roti? From which thing we make roti? We make roti from wheat. We first grind the wheat and then comes the flour. So we make the roti from the flour. So you have to do the other ones by yourself. Link 2.3, I will learn about people who bring us food. Exercise A, label the picture and color them. Okay, here we have some pictures and we have given some options. And we have to see the pictures carefully, then we have to write the names of the people who bring us food that are given at the top of the exercise. In the first picture, we can see a man who is taking milk out of the cow. So, this is a farmer. So, you have to write farmer below this picture. And you have to do others by yourself. Link 2.3, I will learn about people who bring us food. Number this exercise B. Number the sentences about the picture. Now here we have given some sentences and we have to number them in order and place them in order. The first sentence is a farmer milks the cow. One is written over here, so you don't have to write anything. This one is done for you. Now you have to do the other ones. What happens first? A farmer milks the cow, then a driver takes the milk to the town, so it will be the second one. Then a factory worker puts the milk in the packet. Then a shopkeeper sells the milk and we buy them. Then our mama, our sister, somebody boils the milk in a pan. Then we drink the milk. Now you have to write the numbers in front of them and label them. Link 2.5, I will learn to plan a balanced meal. Exercise A. Draw one food from each box, put a meal in the plate. Now here we have given some different varieties of food and we have given a small circle which is empty. So we have to fill this circle and we have to take one food from each of the from each of the varieties of food that are given to us. On the top right, we have given all the vegetables, and on the top left, we have given all the food crops, or we can say wheat, roti, rice, all these kind of things. And on the below right, we have given all the varieties of the meat like chicken, fish, mutton, beef. And on the right below, we have given some varieties of the dairy items, for example eggs, yogurt, cheese and butter. So we have to take any one of them all and draw them into the circle. For example, I will take rice from the first one, and then I will take beans from the vegetables one, and then I will take yogurt from the dairy items, and then I'll take fish from the meat items. So that's it. You just have to draw all of them in a circle. 2.5, I will learn to plan a balanced meal. Exercise B, viewpoint, write about your balanced meal. Now here we have to write about our balanced meal that we have drawn in the previous exercise. Now a dash meal has a little of each kind of food. Which kind of meal has a little of each kind of food? A balanced meal has a little of each kind of food. My balanced meal has, now the things that you have drawn in the circle in the previous exercise, you have to write all those things in the blank given below. That all the things that you have mentioned in your balanced meal you have to write over here. For example, I chose rice, beans, fish and yogurt. So I will write rice, beans, fish and yogurt in the second blank. Now that's it. 2.6 values. I will learn about sharing food. Now here exercise A. Now here we have given some tick and cross. We have to read the sentences and we have to choose whether the sentence is right or not. The first one is balanced meals have a little of each food. We just read this, that a balanced meal have a little of each of the food. So this one is right or not? It is good for us to eat balanced meat. Yes, balanced meat can keep us fit and healthy. So, is it good to have balanced meal? Now, the third one is everyone in our country has enough money to eat balanced meal. No, there are some kind of people who don't even get a one-time meal. So, this is not correct. Because some people are poor and they can't even afford a one-time meal. The fourth one is, it is good to share food with your family and friends. Is it good to share your food with your family and friends? Yes, it is good. The fifth one is, it is good to share food with poor people. Yes, it is very good because we have to help them to have a meal because they can't have it by themselves because they are poor. 2.6 values. I will learn about sharing food. Exercise B. Complete the crossword about food and farming. Now here we have given a crossword in the first slide and then we have some clues in the second slide. So first let's read the crossword. Okay, the first word that we have given or that is factory. So now you have to see the crossword. We have given the clues which I am going to read and help you out to fill these. A grows crop. F is written over here. So what do you think? Who grows a crop? Farmers. So we have to write farmers from the upside of down. From where you can read the factory, you can read the F of the factory, you have to start writing farmer. The second clue is farmer dash wheat when it is yellow. Farmer, what do farmer do when wheat is yellow? C is written over here, so means farmer the wheat when it is yellow. So you have to write farmer where it is written C and 2. Now the fourth one is sweets are made from with. What do you think? Sweets are made from what thing? Okay, we have you have to write sugar where you can see S and 4. Now the fifth one is we all eat dash. What do we all eat? F is written over here, so means we all eat food, right? So you have to write food where F and 5 is written. Now these are all the clues that we have to write from the up to the down side. Now we have some clues across that we have to write from the left to the right side. So let's read the clues across. A dash worker puts milk into a packet. Who puts milk into a packet? We know that a worker puts milk into a packet, but which worker? There are so many kind of workers. So F is written over here, so it means that a factory worker. So now you have to write factory is written factory is already written for U. Now we have to read the third one, which is we make dash with flour. R is written over here, so it's mean what is the thing that we make with flour? Rotis. We make rotis from flour. So you have to write it where R and 3 is written, from the left to the right. Now 6. Okay, the numbers are also mentioned to help you out. You can also see the numbers that are given in the crossword and that are given in the clues. 6. And dash comes from a hen. What comes from a hen? E is written over here. So that means that they are referring to egg. So a egg comes from a hen. So you have to write egg where E and 6 is written, from the left to the right. Mangoes dash on trees. What does mango do on tree? Mangoes grow on tree. G is written over here. So we have to write grow where G and 7 is written, from the left to the right. That's it for today.